Hey everyone, welcome back. Haven't done one of these in a while, but going to do a review of a headset that I was sent called the Moman RS. So the Moman RS S is on Amazon. Right now there's a deal for $23.96, normally $29.95. Pretty decently priced. And this is everything that came in the package. It was all in the little bag except for the piece itself, the headset itself. And as you can see, it compares to the Sena 10 intercom, but at much less of a price. I was sent this, but wasn't told what to say, just said they wanted a review of it. And personally, for the money, if I was to need a headset that I didn't need to intercom with to talk to other people, I would get something like this. Let me turn my notifications off there. For $30 for a headset to be able to connect with your phone and be able to have music, Bluetooth from your phone, make phone calls, works really good. The nice thing is the setup on this was really easy. It has the little connection that goes on the side of your helmet, just like any intercom. Gives you the Allen wrench, comes with it. There's also a double-sided tape if you need to do it that way. And then the unit's pretty simple to use. You turn it on and you can see it's starting to look for the Bluetooth. So if we go to my phone here and say, well, there it is. Pair device. It automatically pairs up and is connected. Then the connection to the headset part, the earphones that go in your, it's hard to do with one hand. Let me see if I can get the plug in. It's really not that hard. And then to connect the mic, you got two choices for mics. The boom or the set. And connection on this, and again, is but it's pretty simple. And then let me set that down this way. Once it's connected, you can see it's connected pretty good. I would bet you'd probably want to add tape to that because it does just pull apart. We did do a phone call with it to my wife. As you can see, I don't have it in a helmet, but I could hear really well. And let me make my phone play some music so you can actually hear that it plays pretty decent. So you can see, not even hooked up. The sound is really well, so I would guess the sound is going to be really good in the helmet. I haven't hooked it into a helmet. I may use it on a trip that I'm going to take on the Sporty, and then I will hook it into my regular helmet instead of using my Sena. I would advise this for somebody who doesn't have a Sena, wanting to be able to ride, listen to music, take phone calls. It has a pretty decent manual, shows you how to use it. The unit itself, you can see, has little slots, and they fit right into, shut this down, fits in really pretty easy. You just slide it down in the holes and boom, it's locked in. So overall, I am impressed with this for the price, for the offerings. I had another headset like this when I first started riding, and I didn't use it very long because I didn't like the way it was. It was difficult to use. I think the big buttons on here would work well when you're riding. You know, that's the biggest thing that you notice with the Senas. They're big buttons. This is a 30K that I use. And this is the 10C that we have also. The big button function. And it has pretty simple use. You can advance songs by pressing that button. You can see it changes songs. You can press and hold down and it actually got quieter. You can do voice commands by pressing the button there. See there, it tells me then to do a voice command, which I can say, call Jamie, and you can see it put it on there. And then it will go through and do the whole thing and make the phone call for you. Press the button and it stops the music. So use of this is really pretty easy. So you can check in my link tree for the link to this. You can purchase it on TikTok or you can purchase it on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep the sunny side up, rubber side down. Have an utterly awesome day.